Hello, Makai, and happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. I know you already had your birthday, but we're celebrating it tonight, right? So I just wanted to say I wish you all the best in your future endeavors with school, with family, and eventually with your love life and all the good things that life has to offer. I wish them on you. I pray them for you. And you will always have your mom and me to be there at your side. Just want to let you know that I've never had children, and I don't know what it's like to have a son or a daughter. But if I were to pray and hope and wish for a child to be a certain way, I would want them to be you. You're a sweet girl. You're very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Not obedient, but you're brought up the right way. You have good values. You care about people. You study hard. You work hard. So it has a lot to say about you and, of course, how you were raised, but how you are as a person. And I am honored to have you as my daughter. And I want to always be there for you, Makai. And I hope that you can look at me as a father figure because I am excited to have you as a daughter. So happy birthday. I'm sorry I can't be there. I'm hoping I'll be there maybe streaming wise to see and enjoy the party. So if that's technically possible, of course I'll be there. Love you, sweetie, and have a great celebration.
Happy birthday, Kai. I love you. More birthday to come and stay healthy and beautiful, ha? Eskwela kag tarong para mahimo kang stewardess. I love you, Kai. I miss you. God bless you more.
Hi, Makai. Good morning from the United States. Paul and I have a special gift for you. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Makai. Happy birthday to you. Makai, we wish you nothing but the best, and we wish you a super long life and a great birthday celebration for your 18th. It comes once in your lifetime. Enjoy. We love you, and we can't wait to meet you.
Happy 18th birthday, Makai. I wish you the best, not just today, but always. I hope you have a great day. I love you. Love, Aunt Chrissy.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Mikay! Happy birthday! Have a blast! Wish na ko para kay Ate Mikay. Puhon, unsa man ang mga pangandoy, goals in your life, ma-achieve nimo. Stay pretty, stay humble, study hard para sa future. Enjoy being young. God bless you always and hope for more birthdays to come. I'm very proud of you, Ate, of what you have become now. More and more success to you in the future. I love you, Ate. I miss you so much. Happy birthday! In fairness, hamis kita kong nawong. Iskam ra dito kay filter. Enjoy sa celebration. Have a blast. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Mikay.
Hello Mikay, happy birthday. Selamat hari jadi. Selamat hari jadi. Selamat hari jadi Mikay. Selamat hari jadi.
Happy birthday, Mikay.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Mikay.
birthday. We wish you all the best on your 18th birthday.
Hi, happy birthday, Mikay. 18 years old ka na, magdibo. Ako ra gid sa diri, Mikay. Happy birthday na lang. Nautunta nga matupad ang imuhang ambition. Mag senior high ka na. Regards na lang din ha. Kumusta na lang diha sa mga igsoon ay sa mga kaubanan diha sa balay ninyo. Happy birthday! I love you! Mua mua mua! Ako ra gid isa, pasensya na. Happy birthday, Mikay! Good luck sa imong pagka-18, dibo. Pwede ka na mag-boyfriend. Pwede na ka mag-boyfriend, Mikay. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Mikay. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful memories. May this year bring you happiness and success you deserve. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Iya Mikaela. God bless. Happy birthday. See you.
Hi Mikay, happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Stay sweet and pretty, just follow your dreams. Lagi kang makinig sa mama mo, okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Mikay. Miss you. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi Mika, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Yun lang.
Happy 18th birthday, Mikay. God bless you always. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mikay. Enjoy your day. Sana matupad din yung pangarap mo tsaka ng mama mo. Love you.
Hello Mikay, happy birthday sa'yo, Mikaela Rabin. Sana masaya ka sa birthday celebration mo. Wish ko lang sa'yo at magtapos ka ng pag-aaral para makatulong ka sa mama mo. Huwag mo na mag-asawa ng maaga. Bata ka pa. Yun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo, Mikaela Rabin.
Happy
birthday, Mikay.
Mikay, happy birthday. Birthday.
Thank you.
Sige, mag-aral ka ng mabuti, magkakabait ka sa pag-aral mo. Hindi ka boyfriend para hindi maano ang pag-aral mo sa buhay mo. Saka sa mama mo, magpakabait ka. Happy birthday. 18? 18 birthday ni Mikay. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Mikay. Happy 18th birthday. Sana yung mga ambition mo, mga pangarap mo matupad. At saka yung pagrespeto mo sa magulang mo, lalong-lalo na kay mama mo, sa mga matatanda. Lahat ng mga matatanda sa iyo, maliit o malaking bagay, magrespeto ka, gumagalang ka, at lalong-lalo na yung pag-aaral mo. Doon ka makapokus para maganda ang buhay mo, ang edukasyon mo. Kahit saan ka pupunta, may natapos ka, may pinag-aralan ka. Saka na yung boyfriend. Kung may boyfriend ka na, isa din yun sa makadisturbo. Saka na yung pag makatapos ka. Pag makatapos ka, may trabaho ka. Yung mga lalaking humahabol sa'yo, mga okay din, mga professional, may mga trabaho. Kasi, yun ang importante ng edukasyon. Kahit tayo saan pupunta, may sandatak tayong bitbit. At saka, yung mga barkada, maglimitado ka din kasi isa din yun sa makadisturbo. Kaya, lahat ng mga plano mo, itupad mo, para sa parents mo, para sa mama mo, na yun lang ang diploma na hinahanap nila. Hindi iba yung diploma, hindi lamping ang diploma hinahanap. Yung diploma na nakapagtapos ka, para yung hirap ng sisikap ng mama mo, makita niya na ito pala yung pinaghirapan, nakatapos yung mga anak ko, nakatapos sila at hindi na sila maghihirap kung sakaling wala na sila sa mundo, wala na kami, at least may naiwan silang legacy sa yung tapos inyong pag-aaral, maganda yung buhay nyo, hindi na kayo magkahirap-hirap. Kaya, ingatan at makinig sa magulang kung ano ang ina-advise nila na tama. Walang magulang na idot-dot ka sa masama. Lahat pinag-aralan sa mabuti, kaya makinig talaga sa magulang. O sige, happy birthday 18th birthday Mikay, debo mo. Pasensya na, hindi kami makapunta dyan. Kasi malayo, andito na kami sa
Manila, kita-kita na lang tayo. Puhon. Love you, love you, love you, love you.